of the Dow is set to report earnings next week, along with 64 S&P companies. Among the names, Tesla, American Express, Union Pacific as well. Brenda, I would love your take on Tesla. What do you think ahead of the numbers next week?
Yeah, so with Tesla, I think it's going to be more of the same of what we saw in the first quarter, and we've already seen that with the numbers they published. I think we're still going to see some ongoing disruption in the Shanghai facility. And I think the key to the story lies in what's ahead, and that is increasing production time in their Austin facilities.
We're having a little bit of trouble, obviously, as you can hear, Brenda. I'm sorry. We're having trouble with your microphone. It's coming in and out a little bit. Let me move to Jason Snipe as we try and get that figured out. Bank of America, Goldman, American Express, you have some pretty heavy, financials exposure.
Yeah, so I think as part of the conversation that we had earlier in terms of, financials and looking through the read-through. So for Bank of America, just the read-through for the consumer, I'm looking at loan growth. Let's see what happens there. As it relates to Goldman Sachs, trading revenue, I think is going to be important to me. We all know what's going on with underwriting corporate issuance. I mean, that's problematic for everyone. And then on American Express, what's going on with the business traveler? How's that revenue? What's the card revenue look like? And I think that's really what my focus is going into next week. Let's see how that all unshakes.
Okay, Union Pacific. I'm sorry, Seach, Union Pacific, Blackstone.
We own it. Street expects the numbers to be really strong. Obviously, when you have a weak environment, rails outperform the truckers, and we think it should be a really good number. They're the lowest cost provider. And it's not an expensive stock. It's down at COVID levels, 18 times.
So, Brenda, I think we got the microphone figured out, thankfully. Why don't you just give us a quickie on Tesla for those who weren't able to hear the complete answer?
So quickie is not really going to be about Q2, but about what's to come in terms of being able to leverage the Austin and Berlin facilities and have those become more profitable as production increases and supply chain disruptions easing in the second half of the year.